Welcome to my first review on a product, which is the Diamond Facial Soap. So here's the product. So today I'll be giving you like a beauty review on this product over here. Before I go into details on how to use this facial product, I'll show you guys the steps on how to use this soap. This is my bare face. Before I continue, let's go back to my makeup face. Actually, I received this product from a client, pictures of the before and after, and I got really amazed by how like a person's face can improve so much. So I don't really have a before photo for you guys. After receiving the product, I just washed my face. When I used it for the first time, but this tingling sensation, right, it's just like, wow, shit, like what's gonna happen? Skin wasn't very used to a very new product. Just to let you guys know, my skin type is actually the dry and sensitive skin. I have to be careful of the products that I use. I can't use product that contains a certain element and stuff like that. So when I started using this product, I was pretty scared, but because I heard that they use natural ingredients like jojoba oil, olive oil and brown rice oil, that I believe are pretty good for my skin. As days go by, I continue using this product. I realized that my skin really improved. Like, I have pores on my nose. Okay, the pores didn't completely disappear or was it gone, but more like it reduced the size of the pores. I think it's after using the facial product I realized, like, you know, when you put on makeup and stuff, it glides on really smoothly. Oh yeah, another thing, if you don't have any makeup remover, you can actually use this facial soap as a multifunctional soap to actually cleanse away like your makeup, like your impurities. So I hope you guys will give this product a try. Check them out and see if you guys have the same results that I have. See you!